To delete your YouTube video, you first have to locate your YouTube Studio app. In this case, we've already installed it. If you haven't installed it, make sure you locate your App Store or Play Store and tap YouTube Studio and install it. After that, make sure to launch it. In our case, we've already installed it, so we have it there. And when you launch it for the first time, you'll be required to sign in with your Gmail account, which is linked to your YouTube, and allow it a bit of moment to finish pulling out all your information. On the bottom, we have different options. Make sure to tap on content, and then with this selected, allow it a bit of moment to finish loading, and this is where the magic will happen. We have tons of videos here, so we can proceed to tap on view all beside the video, and this will redirect us to an interface like this with all the videos we have ever uploaded on YouTube. If you locate the video that you want to delete, for instance how to send blank messages on WhatsApp, just navigate beside it and tap on this 3 dots, and then continue to tap on delete, and that's it. You have successfully deleted your video on YouTube. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.